My name is MacLinden. I'm from Lochgelly, Fife, and I studied HNC Professional Cookery Level 6 at Fife College. Before coming to college, I was working as a ground worker in the construction industry. Didn't like it. It was cold, wet, just didn't see myself having a career in construction. I then went online and had a little look to see if Fife College had any cooking courses available. I managed to get myself an interview, and then I managed to get myself on the course. At a young age I realised that I enjoy cooking, and I used to sit in the kitchens with my mum, usually at the weekends making soup and stuff like that, and I enjoyed it, but I never seen that as an actual career path for myself. So obviously as I got older I realised that that's what I wanted to do, it's what I enjoyed doing. The whole course overall was amazing. Obviously coming from no experience at all, it was a great learning experience for myself. My favourite part of the course was obviously fish and shellfish, because it's my favourite thing to cook. Everything's different and there was so much to learn. Like, I'd never handled like a real whole fish before and filleting it. It was always bought from a supermarket, so I thought it was really good to learn. Since leaving college, I went to South Queensferry and got a job there as my first proper job at Scott's, and for the first 6 months I just learned everything what they had. My brain was like a sponge. I got a bit comfortable. I then see myself wanting to do a little bit better, so I pushed myself a little bit further. I then got in contact with the Gleneagles Hotel, and I was able to come up there for a work trial where I was successful, and I worked there for around about 6 months. I then got a bit comfortable again. I looked to go into a bit further in fine dining. I went over to Edinburgh to work with Tom Kitchen. I learnt a lot from Tom Kitchen. He uses everything from the animal, he uses everything. And just by chance, I went one day on my laptop and I was just emailing restaurant Gordon Ramsay to see if I could get a position with them. Obviously they got back to me right away, and they said just due to high volume of people emailing in every day that they might not get back to me, so best of luck in your career. Another 2 weeks passed, and just by chance they got back to me and they invited me down to come to Pétrus for a work trial down in Knightsbridge, London, and I've been since successful, so I moved down next Friday. If it wasn't for Andrew Main to give me the opportunity to come to Fife College, I don't think I would be in the cooking industry. I said to myself, if I don't get onto this course then I'm just going to give up, but Andrew gave me a chance, and by giving me a chance he gave me the foundations to become a great chef. I've then obviously went to London. It's a great opportunity. I would highly recommend it to any students who's thinking about joining the industry.